Hi, this is Wayne King. I'm running for mayor of Salisbury. I am right now with Jennifer, and I am at the Wicomico Solid Waste Facility. Jennifer, let me ask you about the do's and don'ts of recycling.
Okay, the do's are, stick with products that, on this top line, you see the yes, and, those are products that we have a market for, and we can recycle cleanly. The don'ts are, the wish list of what people think can be recycled. And that stuff needs to be landfilled. So, we're spending an exorbitant amount of time going through the recycling that comes in and pulling these contaminants out.
Okay, now looking at the different types of products or recyclables here, what actually is the process of just say cardboard? What did I mean?
Gets compacted on all sides and wire wrapped around it, and then once we get a certain amount, usually it's 30 to 33 bales in a truck, in a tractor trailer. We'll put those out on bids, we'll let them know how many tractor trailer loads we have, and then the highest bidder will win the bid, and either we deliver to them or they'll come